this is really bad. Like what? Like no cable literally disappeared. Okay, so on today's objective, cable management, I'm sure you guys have seen under this desk, which is insane, which is terrible. We're gonna fix this under 50 bucks. So yeah, let's get into it. We have these clips for 11 bucks and this mesh for 26 bucks from Amazon, totaling up to 37 bucks. So really under 50 bucks. Kind of going into this blind, but it's self-explanatory. I don't think it's gonna be a hard one to do. You just need to hide your cords. This is bad. This is really bad. So I think the first step is to turn off my setup and kind of map out where I want everything to be at. I know that I need some wiggle room when it comes to cords, so I won't strap them in too tight. This is a standing desk, which makes it a lot easier for me to manage the cables because I can literally just be under here. Please pray for me, guys, because I really don't know what I'm doing. These are the clips that I've added. Kind of just hold these wires in place. We're almost through with the cable management, and as you can tell, it looks way better. Now I just need to add the net. Side note, am I the only one who listens to one song on repeat until I'm like tired of it? Because like right now, I'm listening to My Collection by Future. I've been listening to that since last night, and it's just a vibe. Just put the clips behind it. Let me bomb this bad boy in that. Then we put it here like that. I can just like stow this in here. Okay, so all the big cords are accounted for and managed. Now I just need to manage the HDMI cords and the aux cord. These bad boys that's hanging. Sure that everything is like somewhat organized. I think this should be good. Like what? Cables where? Cables where? They disappeared. Haha. Okay, so now that the cords are managed, I have a few recent pickups, not so recent for some of these I want to add to my setup. The most important thing is this little dock here. As for the cable management and the new finds or pickups, they'll be all linked in the description below. Starting off with the new dock, I did not like the dongle. Like I said, I did not like the dongle just sticking out, so I wanted something a bit more sleek. I thought I'd be able to use the aux from the dock to connect my speakers, but it just doesn't work. So if anyone knows how to fix that, let me know if I need an interface or whatever the cool techie people use. I think it was 95 bucks or 90 bucks for that. The cable management, like I said, 36 bucks for the mesh and 11 bucks for the whatever you want to call those clips. Now for this bad boy right here, this is probably this is my dream car. Like realistically, I want a Porsche 911. I want those vintage old money Porsche 911s. So I swapped that out. The montage is also cool, but I added the montage and the McDonald's stuff to my art wall, so I needed something else to fill this space up. So I have the Raygun, which is also a lighter. I don't know if YouTube would allow me to do this on here, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a flame. It's a real lighter. Your boy loves candles, so it makes sense for me to have this. So I got that and added it to my setup, as well as this car. Back to the car, ADHD, I'm sorry, I bounce around a lot. The car in this tray, I just feel like it adds to the gray green tone that I already have going right now with my setup. So that's why I did that. The next thing that I want to add to my setup realistically is a mic and a mic arm to fill up where the Raygun is. Okay, before I show you guys the montage of my new setup, not so new, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. You guys have been supporting me a lot recently and I'm forever grateful for that. All the products will be linked in the description to this video, as well as all the finds from my desk and everything in my apartment from my Amazon storefront. But you want to tell them, Vespa? Enjoy this montage.